morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, don't forget the name has been changed. The name of this YouTube channel has been changed from the former one. The new name is Sharp and Laugh TV. Sharp and Laugh TV from Nigeria. Sharp and Laugh TV. Yeah, this is Sharp and Laugh TV from Nigeria. This is a channel where you learn how to sharpen different type of clipper blade. This is a channel where you learn how to sharpen the stones. This is a channel where you learn how to maneuver your way becoming a professional sharpener, sharpening different type of clipper based stones professionally, logically, technically. Okay, you can see it. Yeah, as you enter one by one, please, as you are joining the program one by one, please help me to share this program, help me to share it out so that it can go viral. Many people can be able to see it all over the world. You know, this type of sharpening tutorial is throughout the world. It is throughout the world. Yeah, it is throughout the world. Ẹni sọ bọ̀ fẹ́ káwọn èèyàn wọlé náà ni o. Wọ́n ti wọlé, tẹ́nìkan bá ti wọlé ń sìn. Don't forget to subscribe. You are a lucky one that have been watching this video since, but you have not subscribed. You are a lucky one that get the opportunity of watching this video now. You have not watched before. This is the first time you are watching my video. Please let us subscribe before you go. And the reason why we need to subscribe is that for you to see all our videos free of charge to watch, number one. For you to see the new notification the moment you come on live, you are going to see it. That's number two. Number three, you get advantage of seeing upcoming videos. Whenever we come on live again, you are going to be notified that we are on live now. You are going to see what is going on now. As you enter one by one, please help me to share the video very well. This is a tutorial on how to sharpen clipper blade. Watch carefully. This is GTS clipper blade. You see it. You see it. Don't forget, we've changed the name of this channel. Yeah, from the former name. The new name is Sharp and Laugh TV. Sharp and Laugh TV. Yeah, Sharp and Laugh TV. We have changed the name yesterday. Don't forget. We have changed the name yesterday. Can you see how this clipper blade was used? See the inner part of it. See the inner part of it. See black area. You see it? So I'm going to show you the step by step to sharpen it now. This is GTS sticker blade. That is tapper clipper blade. Very, very strong. Yeah, let us start the sharpening now. Number one we have to do is to clean the back of the blade. I'm cutting the masking tape to size to fix at the back of the blade so that it will allow my thumb to have full control over the back of the blade very well. I will show you when I fix it finish. I will show you. You see the way I'm pressing it. Watch. Don't let it cover the mouth. You see it, you can do your own to cover than this one, neater than this one. Don't let it cover the mouth. You can see the little gap I leave. You see like that. You see the inner part. You see. Let us use. We are going to use smooth surface stone to start the work. We are going to use smooth surface stone to start the job. You know the hanad. I'm trying to arrange. Yeah, that's the supporter. Yeah, that's the supporter. This is the global grid I want to sharpen. See like this. Then we are going to use angle of 45 degree to sharpen the clipper blade. 45 degree or the scissors method. Try to be joining the program anytime. When you subscribe to the channel, if you have not subscribed before, you subscribe to the channel and press notification button so that the moment you come on live, you are going to be seeing the videos. It's very, very important. Subscribe to the channel for you to see our videos. Whenever I come on live, you are going to see it. You are going to see it. This is how we calculate it. Angle of 0, angle of 180. You go like this, angle of 90 degree. You divide it to 2. That's angle of 45 degree. I want to clean the surface of my stone very well. I want to clean it. After this application of oil, light oil, then this is special stone. You can see it. This biscuit bone. Then after you now apply kerosene to cover the whole surface of the stone. All these things are step by step. Let us go for the upper clipper blade first. Let me show you how the inner surfaces. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed before. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed before. So I want to divide the blade into 2. So I want to sharpen this side. I will use this half part of the stone. I want to sharpen this one. I will use half part of the stone to sharpen it. That's 20 times. See what I'm saying now? Let me come to show you now. We still have to repeat sharpen on it. The mouth is curved already. You see where the stone is touching. This is where the stone is touching. This one has curved, has bent to the other side of it. You see it's in form of arc. This is where the stone is touching. It doesn't touch here at all. It doesn't touch this area covered. It's only touching here, which means this area has go up. This one has bent towards the back. So we have to bring the level of that higher area down. You have to bring the level down. That's 20 times. That's 20 times again for the other side. Let me watch again. Yeah, the work is progressing. It's progressing. Let me still come and show you again for you to know that how to study the inner surface. Let me still show you again. Let me still show you clearly. Watch carefully now. You see, this was where the stone touched before. Ẹ káàbọ̀, ta ni ẹ? Ẹ dákun, mo ń bọ̀, mo ń pọ́n bí lọ́wọ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ fẹ́ gẹrun ni bàbá? Ẹ ní sùúrù jẹ, mo ń pọ́n bí lọ́wọ́ ni. Ìyá nìkan wà pẹ̀lú mi ń bí. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n yára dáhùn ló mò ń bọ̀. So you see, it has covered here. Then now it's trying to extend to the front. But this front now is not deep. It has not flattened well. We still need to repeat it again. Don't think because you see shining there. Kò lè pẹ́. Ilé fi ẹni bàbá yìí náà gẹ̀rùn lẹ́yìn ọbẹ̀bẹ̀ náà ni. Ẹnìkan wà pẹ̀lú mi ń bí. Òun náà àwọn náà ní bléèdì àwọn náà sì ń kéṣe ilẹ̀ yìí wọ́n ń gbé gan. Ẹ má bínú dákun ìní pẹ́. Ṣé ẹ ti gbọ́? Ìní pẹ́. Ọ̀dà ayé tètè lọ. Ẹ má bínú dákun. Ọlọ́run jẹ́ ká bá àánú pàdé. Mo rò pé ń bínú tẹ́lẹ̀ ni. Ẹnìkan wà ń bí pẹ̀lú mi ní ìrí iṣẹ́ yẹn fi kalẹ̀. Kọ́mọ́dà gbà tẹ́ pé yẹn fojú ọmọ kékeré wò. Ẹ dákun má bínú tó lọ́dọ̀. Ẹ dákun má bínú. Ṣọ́ọ̀bù dàí náà sì ti ní àwọn náà ti wá. Kọ́mọ́dà bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé wọ́n ń ṣiṣẹ́ wọ́n á dè mí mọ́lẹ̀. Bàbá làwọn náà ẹ dákun má bínú tó lọ́dọ̀. Tìlámọ̀ pé bá ní tẹ́fẹ́ lọ sí ẹ lọ sí pápápá. Kí ẹ má ṣọ́ọ̀tì ọ̀nà méjì. Ẹ bá rí kejì. Ok. Mo ń bọ̀ wá o. Ṣé yìí ṣe tí ẹ̀ lè. Yeah, let me show you now. Let me show you now. Watch carefully now. The job is well done now. When you look at the surface, total shining across, total flatness has come out fully. You see it in this way? See like this, total flatness and total shining across has come. So let's drop this one here. You see it here? Let me turn it up like this to show. Okay, this is the first one here. This is here. Let me drop this one here and pick the bottom clipper blade. Now, not to waste our time, but I'll first go on this smooth surface stone to show us how the surface of the inner surface of the clipper blade, that bottom clipper blade want to sharpen is. You know, to say, I still have another customer in another work now, so that is why. So if to say there's no any customer around, or the owner is not in his, I could have used this one throughout so that you are going to see the step by step, really, how the work is going to be. But I will first use it now to show us how the surface is. I'll first go on the smooth surface first. That's 40 times. Yeah, I will now come closer to show you now, for you to understand exactly what I'm trying to fashion out. Watch carefully now. You see where the stone has touched. You see like this? That is where the stone has touched. All this black area now is down totally. This black area is down, but instead of wasting the time So I'm going to do it faster for the customer, for me to release the customer. The customer is in a hurry. The customer is in a hurry. So let me change the stone. 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 Let me change the stone to quash. Let me change the stone to quash. Let me change the stone to quash so that the work should not be delayed. And at the same time, I still want us to gain from there. I want us to gain from the work. Anyhow, we still have to gain little, one or two things from there. We have to gain one or two things from there. Yeah. This is quite surface stone. So I'm trying to activate the surface of the quartz surface stone before we start the sharpening on it. So we are going the rest of the time on this one now to make the work faster for us. That's 30 times. That's 30 times. That's 30 times. That's 30 times again for the other side. Let us watch how the inside is. Yeah. Work still remain here. This area is covered. This area is down. This area is down. I'll show you now. This one area I want to show you here. I know that the camera can, but this is the area I'm watching. Looking at this area. This area, there's black color there. You can see it's down. That area is down. Let's go one time again to see how it's going to be. Yeah, let us watch now. Let us watch and see how the situation is. Let us watch and see how the situation is. Let us watch and see how the situation is. Watch carefully now. Are you sit now? Let's watch. Then let us test what we have sharpened out is. You see it. GTS, you place it on top of each other. Ó ti fẹ́ parí bàbá o. I'm trying to test. Let me show you very well. See the way I position the blade. You see, you shirogap it, you close it. You now push it, press it a little with your thumbs. You press side by side like 20 times. Then you come back a little like this. You see it, come back a little. You do it 20 times again. Then you come back again in form of low cut. You do it again. Let us watch now and see what is going on. You see the surface now. That's a good job. See the sign. So if you sharpen your clipper blade correctly, even with sharper, electric clipper blade sharpening machine or the stone, when you test it, this is what you are going to get. So this one is done properly now. So I've sharpened this one. Though I still slow down a little bit for us to use it for tutorial because this customer is here. You see now, I finished with the yeah, I've given it to the customer. I'm sorry. We are back again. We are back again. We are back again. This is Sharp and Love TV. Sharp and Love TV. This is a channel where you learn how to sharpen different type of clipper blade professionally. This is a channel where you learn how to sharpen different type of stone surfaces. This is a channel where you learn how to maneuver your way to detect errors on the surface of the blade, on the surface of the stones. This is a channel that teaches you where exactly you are going to be placing your thumbs for sharpening of correct clipper blade, for correcting different type of errors with different type of placing of the thumb positioning, etc., etc. If you have not subscribed to this channel before, please subscribe. If you have not subscribed to this channel before, please subscribe. Subscribe to this channel before we go. If you have subscribed before, it is only one time. The reason why we need to subscribe is that when the new videos are coming out, when I'm on live, you'll be seeing the notification immediately, because for now, we are not doing VOD video on demand. We only come on live to do tutorial on how to sharpen the stone, how to sharpen the clipper blade, everything surrounding the stone and blade blades. Yeah. I want to show you now how to sharpen starless clipper blade. Starless clipper blade. This is starless clipper blade. You see it? This one is good to learn. If you see all this kind of small clipper blades that is not too thick, it is good to use it to start your sharpening. After you have watched many videos on my channel, and that is why I always advise the fewer subscribers who really want to understand, know how to sharpen the clipper blade professionally. You should try as much as you can first to subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed before. You press the notification button if you have not pressed it before, so that immediately we are on live, you are going to see notification immediately. Immediately we post video, we post short, you are going to be the number one to be seeing the video. Yeah. If you have not subscribed, let me teach you now. This video you are watching, look on that by the right hand side. You will see where the right SUSRB subscribe. Use your finger to press it. It will now change to subscribe with the notification bell. Press that notification bell again. It will now change to 3 bell option. Press that. Press the one at the topmost, printed white or black in color. The right AWL beside it. Press it, which means you have taken the notification. The moment we are on live, the moment you post video, we post short, you are going to be the number one to be seen, the video to be seen all. If there is any new comment, reply to new comment, you are going to be the number one to be seen everything. Yeah, that is the reason why you need to subscribe, and it is free of charge. It is free of charge. YouTube will not deduct any amount from your pocket. And there's one advantage again. If you subscribe to this channel, you have gotten the access to go back to the main channel and watch our videos. We have released all this membership video. People using money to watch before. Yeah, they watch it with big money, 40,000, 10,000, 750, 750 naira, 300 naira. But we have released them free of charge publicly for everybody to watch. Yeah, for everybody to watch. We have released it free of charge. That is the reason why we need to go back. When you subscribe, you go back to watch previous videos. Then you still watch the present video live. After watching the live, you rewatch it again and now go back to watch previous one. Still prepare yourself in mind that you are still coming back. You are still coming back to watch the upcoming videos. Thank you. Yeah, I want to show you now to sharpen starless clipper blade step by step. This is let us use squash. This one is squash service stone. Squash. This one is squash. It's a stronger stone service. Let us use it for upper clipper blade and bottom clipper blade. I want to see how fast. Though I will not be so much fast like that. I will go. Let us go 5-5. That is when we divide the blade. Let me see whether the camera can pick it. You see, if you want to zoom out to see me very well, put your 2 fingers by the center of the phone. You now draw it to the side. You see now it's bigger. Yeah. You see like this. When you come from the side to the center, you see like this. You are zooming in. But I want you to see what I'm doing very well. I want you to see it very well. I want you to see it very well. Yeah. So I've zoomed out for you now. For those people who don't know how to zoom out, zoom in. So I think it's okay like this. Or should go in a little bit. Let me go in a little bit. Yeah. It's okay like this. It's okay like this. So if you want to zoom out, you can zoom out on your own. First thing we do is to clean the back of the blade very well. You clean the back of the blade very well. You clean the back of the blade very well. You clean it. You apply the masking tape correctly. You apply it correctly. You apply it. I will show you now. See the way I'm pressing it. Let me take it closer to the camera. You see it? You can do your own better than this one. You see? I'm trying to correct it. When you're on like this, you should know the way to correct it. You see like this. Then watch carefully. You see this mouth too. Don't let it cover the whole mouth finish. This is the clipper blade I want to sharp for tutorial. Watch carefully. So we are going to use, this is squash service stone. I will now be going 5-5 for one side. Let us see what it's going to give us. Before we go, you try to clean the surface of your stone. Clean the surface. Then you apply your oil. You apply oil. You apply your biscuit bone. You apply your biscuit bone. See like this. Then you apply the kerosene to cover the whole surface of the stone. You do all these things step by step. You don't need to rush too much. There's no hurry that make you to jump anyone. Once you jump it, your sharpening is not going to be correct. I'm telling you sincerely, it is not going to be correct. No need to doubt ourselves. You see? Now, this is the blade you want to sharpen. I don't know whether the camera can pick. Yes, the camera can pick it. You see it. Watch carefully now. See where I want to put it. Yeah. Let us go now. That is 5 times. 5 times. 5 times. Let us see what you are going to see inside. This stone has a strong surface. Very, very effective. Let us watch. That is why I always say it. If you know how to design your stone surface very well, if you know how to design stone surface, you don't need to worry yourself too much. You don't need to be sharpening, over sharpening. No. You don't need to be over sharpening. Let us repeat it one time for the advantage of the learners. You see, when you sharpen like that, you watch, the signing has come out, the total flatness has come out, but it's not deep. It's not showing very well. You still need to repeat it one time again. So don't be too much hurry. What you're supposed to do at the beginning, you not do it, you not jump it. At the end of the day, you not be struggling to go back again. That one is not good. When you follow it step by step, you don't need to rush. When you have understood everything, finish. That one now you can use it to do any style. You can take it to do any style. But there are some things you don't need to jump. All this one I'm doing, the activating of the surface, you can never jump it, no matter how perfect you are. In my own studio, I'm saying, I always remember anything you see here, any act of sharpening you see here, any method you see me using here, it is only for Sharp and Laugh TV. That's the new name now. Don't do mistake again. No, Sharp and Laugh TV. Sharp and Laugh TV. Sharp and Laugh TV. Yeah, we've changed the name. So it is the method from Sharp and Laugh TV. Not seen from anywhere or copied from anywhere. Yeah, let us go 5 times again. I'm just showing you this. Not until you are pressing, over pressing, you pressing the blade against the stone surface. No. When you know how to design stone surface, you don't need to rush yourself too much. You design them in different scales. Yeah. This one is squash 1. Let us watch again. Let's watch again. Please help me to share this video out, please, in the name of God. Help me to share it out so that many people can enjoy watching the video all over the world. You know, this kind of tutorial is for the whole world. Almost all the whole world is watching this tutorial. Please help me to share it out on Facebook group, Facebook friends, WhatsApp friends, on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook chat. Help me share it out, please, in the name of God. Help me share it out so that many people can get the advantage of watching it. You see now? You see it? Yeah, the shining has come out. And if you are still in doubt again as a learner, still repeat it one time again. Let's go one time again for you to be sure properly. For you to be sure. Don't ever be too much in haste. Don't do sharpening when you are learning in haste or hurry to test. No. All the necessary things you're supposed to do, you do them first, step by step. You shouldn't jump. And you do them accordingly. What do I mean by accordingly? The way I'm taking the step one after the other. When you are on one stage, you do it, you finish it up. When you move away from that stage, you go to another stage. You see like that, you still start it, you finish up easily. So that people looking at you or you yourself looking at yourself, you will know that you are performing something great, something good. Not just to rush. At the end of the day, you now tested, it's not working. No. Let us go 10 times now. 10. So anything you do for one side, you have to repeat it for the other side. Yeah. Well done job now. Well done job. Watch carefully. Watch carefully now. You see it. So let us go for the, when you finish the sharpening, you open the surface down like this. Let's go for the bottom clipper blade. The bottom clipper blade. Let's go for that one. Let's go. Let us go 5 times each for one side. Let me come closer to the screen. Let me come closer. Watch. It seems you have been seeing the total flatness and total shining, but it has not deep. It has not deep. So we need to let it dip very well and make sure you did not lose your balance. The moment you lose where you are placing your thumb at the back of the blade, the work is likely to change. The work is likely to reverse, but you still maintain the same position so that the shining will be shining little by little. The shining will be shining little by little. The shining will be shining little by little. Yeah. That's 30 times to and fro for one side. Thirty times to and fro for one side. Let me see, come closer to the screen. Watch carefully. You can see that the shining is coming out, the total flatness is coming out too. So make sure exactly where you place your thumb. I will show you now where I'm placing my thumb so that when you are sharpening, you not do mistake. When your thumb is not balanced or you are not sure of the way you're supposed to place your thumb, let me show you now. This is where the upper clipper blade is staying in the front. This area, you can see this area. This is where it's staying at the back. This is the center of the blade here. You see like this. You turn it back again. This is going to be the center. Then you divide it into 4 again. I will show you now. I want to take it gently. I want to take it gently. You see like this. You see like this. This is where you place your thumb like this. Watch carefully. It bends towards here a little bit. You place it here to bend here a little bit. That's that place I used to place my thumb. The any method you see here on the Sharpen TV, any method you see, any acting of a sharpening clipper with the stone you see here, any logic you see me doing here, then any practical I'm showing you, any theoretical part of the work I'm showing you, also the explanation I'm giving out, believe is only for this Sharp and Laugh TV. Don't compare it to another studio, and don't ever judge to condemn any studio, and don't never judge any studio to condemn this my own method. It's working for me, right? It's working for me. So when you are using it, you know that the style belongs to me. You see, I formed them by myself. You see that you see the way I form, where I'm supposed to be placing my thumb. That is for the correct clipper blade sharpening. The clipper blade was sharpened correctly before. Then they now use it dull. You want to sharpen it back. Yes, you now sharpen it back. That is where you are. That is how you are going to place your thumb. That's how you are going to place your thumb. I'm back again. I'm so sorry for that. So don't forget, anything you see on my channel belongs to Sharp and Laugh TV. This is a channel where you sharpen clipper blade with happiness. Yeah. Don't forget, I apply the oil. I use the biscuit bone, this one. After, and I use the second biscuit bone again. After, now apply the oil. I did the kerosene. Don't forget, that was the way I treated it. And if you are looking for, if you want to form your own stone too, I've shown you the method you are going to use to locate all these type of stones I'm using for each one. That is why I'm telling you that I get stones, the stones I use to put on the ground like this to sharp. We still have material stones. So when I finish sharpening, I will still repeat it again to show you how you can locate it or how you can test to get the original stone you're supposed to be putting down, the one you're supposed to be using as a special stone, this is a special stone, the one you're supposed to be using as a special stone, then the one you're supposed to be using as a catalyst or biscuit bone. So all these ones now, I'm going to show you how you are going to test for it for the benefit of the new viewers, for the advantage of the new viewers. You know, new viewers joining every day by day. Let us go now. me. Let us observe. You should try as much as you can to know how to study the inner surface. Let me show you some things here. To know how to study the inner surface of the clipper blade very well. Watch carefully now. If you watch now, look at this sticker blade here. Look at this sticker blade here. Then look at this area I want to cover. Watch that U shape. Then now compare to the shining along each small blade here like this. Compare it to the other small blades starting from here to this side. Now compare it. You can see that the shining in this U shape is deeper than the one inside this small blade from here to the other side here. Watch carefully. Now let us repeat it again, whether the shining can still be a little bit brighter than that one. Let us resharpen again. Let us go for another round. So how to test for this kind of stone to get it, I will show you. How to test for this kind of stone, I will show you. You see, how to test for this kind of stone. This is special stone to use on this one. No, on the smooth surface. On the smooth surface stone. So I will show you how you can test for it to get it exactly. Ẹ káàsán, kí lẹ fẹ́ ṣe? Kí lẹ fẹ́ ṣe? Mo ń bọ̀ wá. Àìwá bá ẹ̀ ń ta àwọn ẹ̀wọ̀lì ní ẹ̀dá. Sẹ́kùn àfihàn jájà rẹ̀. Jẹ́jẹ́ ń wọlé jájà ló ṣe náà. Ẹni ìkówó ẹja tẹ̀sí tẹ̀ mú wá. Ẹja wo tẹ̀ mú wá náà o. Èyí kájú gbàṣẹ́ o. Ẹ̀rọ tẹ̀sí iṣẹ́ o bọ́ bá dáa bí tẹ́lẹ̀ pọ̀ tí bá dẹ̀ inú orí. Tí ọba bá sì kù bí ọba àtọ̀, pẹ̀lú káyọ̀ bá tù lẹ́ni, ojú yín náà ló máa ṣe pẹ̀lú pa máa yọ lẹ́yìn. Ẹ má kì í yẹn sọ pé kí n sáré òde o. Bí tiẹ̀ kí n ṣiṣẹ́ nìyẹn. Ìyá kan máa tún fóònù lẹ́yìn yẹn. Ògbójú mo bá ní. Ṣé náà wà bí abíyèsí rárá? Ṣé náà wà bí abíyèsí rárá? Ẹ̀wọ̀n tó ṣẹlẹ̀ á fi lẹ̀ báyìí náà kọ́ pẹ́. Orúkọ oníkíkọ́ sí. Sí ti lásán náà. Ìdí ká pọ̀ sí ọ̀fẹ́ tó bá ti wá pọ̀ jù ó kọ̀ ní ọ̀wọ́ ẹgbẹ́ ìrìn rí sídìí lásán ti tó lẹ́nu mo dúró ẹni tí mò ń gba fóònù lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ mà bàtà àpé méjì èmi nìkan náà ni ẹ nílò kẹ́ padà dé sí ẹgbẹ́ lómi ní okòó èmi náà lẹ́bàá ẹ̀gbọ́n tí mò ń sọ yé tí ọba wa cháàjì sí kí n yọ bátìrì rẹ̀. Okay. Ẹ tá máa mú lọ náà ẹjọ́ sí náà ẹ mú lọ náà àní ẹ mú ọdẹ mú ọ. Àṣebọ́ wá bí láì gbàtọ́ kò lè ṣe bọ́ wá bí. Kí ló dé tí èmi lè dé bí? Ẹ lè blame rẹ̀ ẹni ìsẹ̀yìn fẹ́ fi iṣẹ́ tí fi àfẹ́tì iṣẹ́ tí ń kọ́ ọmọ tó mọ sẹ́tẹ̀ kẹ́ máa dúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run tó kọjú mọ́ ọmọ tó àwọn òbí ìsìn ẹ̀ máa gbúrò rẹ̀ pé wọ́n rí lókè wọ́n rí sálẹ̀ kò dúró bí sẹ́sẹ́ yìí lẹ̀ ń wá mo ní sẹ́yìn lẹ̀ ń wá ọmọ tí ò ní dúró bí sẹ́lẹ̀ ń wá tọ̀. I'm so very sorry. Now, let us repeat the sharpening again. Let us go 40 times with gentle stroke, gentle movement. You shouldn't press too much. You shouldn't press the blade too much. This stone surface now, let me tell you one thing. This stone surface you are watching, this stone surface now is very, very active, very, very effective, powerful, very, very strong. You cannot compare it to smooth surface or normal surface. This one is squash, C-O-A-R-S-C, squash surface, S-U-R-F-A-C-E, squash surface stone. The more you press the thumb on the blade, on the back of the blade, against the surface of the stone, the more it's going to chop excessively, but it will be ripe. You take note of what I'm saying? Not that it's going to chop anyhow, unless you don't know how to position your thumb. And that is why I normally give it out. The way I place my thumb professionally, formed by my own studio, according to how it's supposed to be, I'm showing you step by step. So far, you know the right place to place your thumb. And you should not press too much. You don't apply the pressure too much, just slightly on this squash and the normal. The more you apply the pressure, the more it's consuming the iron. That is why professionals or learners, you need to be place your thumb, apply the pressure lightly, so that it will only be brushing the top, just chopping it little by little, ramly. But when you are using smooth surface, you can press, because smooth surface is the lowest grade. It doesn't consume anyhow. Even you need to apply little pressure, little, before that one can chop. You see, let us go now. Let me show you my movement now. There's one thing I want to show you. This movement I'm taking, you don't just stay in one place. I will show you now. Try to watch carefully. Let me look at this stone surface now. You can zoom out to see it well. When you put your two fingers by the center of the phone, you go to the side. It's coming to bigger. You see like that? It's going to big. Then when you put your finger by the left of the phone, you come to the inside. You see like this, you zoom in. When you go from the center to the side of the phone, you see it now, it's becoming bigger. You see it in this way. I've mistakenly touched the fuse. You see like this. You see like that. It's hard to zoom in, to zoom out. Now, look at this two now. I divide it into two like this. I'm using the first half like this to sharpen the half part of this blade. When you divide the stone into two, I did the blade into two. I'm using the half of it to sharpen this half part of the stone. I'm sharpening this one on this remaining half part of the stone. Then you let your movement cover the whole area like this. You don't just stay in one position. See the way I'm moving? You go within the half. You shouldn't pass the half. Within the half like this. When you go for one side, you come back the other side. See like this now. You go like this, you come back like this, you go like this, you come back like that. That's how you continue. You see like that? So let's continue with the job we are doing now. So that you should know that everything I'm doing here, I have a way of doing it. I'm not just doing it anyhow. When you do your work anyhow, you get anyhow results. It's not going to favor you. But when you follow the procedures, the step by step I'm doing it, that's 50 times. 50 times. You clean the back of your blade. Immediately you see the chemical at the back, because it's going to wick that. It's going to waste that masking tape. You're going to wick it. Now it's 23. You keep your counting very well. You keep it in mind. You keep it in mind. That's 44. When you stop, you keep the number of the number you have stopped. You should not be doing mistakes so that at the end of the day, number of to and fro for one side will not pass the other. That's 43. That's completed now. 50 times to and fro for each side. Let me get closer to the screen and see what is happening. Let me come closer to the screen. Watch now. You see that the shining is becoming rhyming together. Yeah, you see like this. You can still repeat it one time again to be clear well, so that that's a well done job. When you try to watch carefully, the step by step, the work is going on. When you are practicing, so you'll be able to follow the procedures I'm giving out. You can use your thumb to first spread. As a learner, first spread the oil to cover the whole surface. You can still use this method. When you apply oil, you use your finger to spread it. When it's covered, the whole surface finish, you now take your biscuit bone. You see that? Then you now come back with your kerosene. You can apply it anyhow you want, but it must cover the whole surface. It must cover the whole surface. You can drop it small, join it together. You can do zigzag like this, join it together. You can make it straight, join it together. Just let it cover the whole surface of the stone. So we are going, let us go 100 times now. 100 times. You shouldn't press too much, just lightly. Very, very lightly. Don't press like this. It's not good. Some people will press like this. Some people will still put thumb on thumb like this. I don't know that the camera can pick it. Yeah, the camera can pick it. They will put one thumb down like this. They now put another one on top like this. Be sharpening like that. I'm not saying it's bad. But to be chopping iron excessively, more than necessary. It will be chopping the surface of the bottom clipper blade, the surface of the upper clipper blade excessively more than necessary. More than how it's supposed to chop. That one has no gauge. When you buy new clipper blade now, you sharpen it in that way. If you are a professional, you sharpen it in that way. Clipper blade are supposed to use like 1.5 years, 2 years. With correct sharpening, use it and laugh. You use it and be happy and make money. You discover that under 3 months, the blade is finished up because you want to be consuming anyhow in sharpening. So you don't need to press your thumb too much. You don't need this. You see the way I'm doing my own here. Once you know how to form your stone surface, it's the stone that will be giving you the best of the work you want. You don't need to overpress. Watch now. 100 times. That is 100 times to and fro. So you keep in mind your counting. You keep it in mind, your counting. You keep it in mind, your counting. So let's repeat the activation or the activation of the service of the stone. So when you know it's finished, you can be faster. You can fast. The speed will even come by itself. Once you have known the work very well, you are performing great there. The speed is going to come by itself. The speed is going to come by itself. But if you say you want to start with speed, so the more you are trying to go faster, the more the mistake will be entering your work. At the end of the day, you test. Most of the time, you may not be happy seeing the type of result you don't expect. This type of the result you are expecting, you may not see it. You may not see it. And once you did not see it, you may not be happy. That is why you need to follow normal procedure. So we are going for the other side now. That's 100 to and fro. That is why I'm saying you need to keep your counting in mind very well. And if there's any obstruction along the line, you stop. Any stoppage along the line, you remember exactly the last number you counted before you stop. You should remember it so that when you want to start, you start from the number after, the next to it in the front. Yeah. Let us still come closer to the screen. Watch carefully. Yeah, the clipper blade is sharpening correctly. It is sharpening correctly now. Correctly. It is sharpening correctly. So when you sharp, your clipper blade finish. Either for you, when you sharpen finish, you open the surface down like this. When you sharpen finish, you open the surface down like this. So when you sharpen your clipper blade finish, you must try to check. What do I mean by check? Number one checking is to observe the inner surface very well, whether you can see another spot there, black spot or overshining spot or dull spot that the stone does not work on it very well or the stone is not touched. You need to look for it very well. So when you see you cannot see any, you look for the upper clipper blade too. You watch carefully. You now put it on top of each other for testing. The reason why you need to test is to know whether the clipper blade you have sharpened, you sharpen it correctly or you did not sharpen it correctly. So you're supposed to know. That's number one. The number two is that it makes you to have full confidence when this clipper blade is tested and the answer is good. You see like that, you have rest of mind that the work you have done is good. You meet up with a standard of sharpening in the studio, or you call it the sharpening studio, using the super hard manner sharpening stone professionally, logically, technically, strategically, okay. Then your mind is one kind settled. Then you have confidence in what you are doing. You build confidence in what you are doing because all the work you are doing, you are testing it and you are seeing the better result there. Then one important thing again, customer who bought the clipper blade to you, like the one I want to start in the morning now, the customer now come with a set of clipper blade and sharpen it. If to say the way I sharpen the clipper blade is not good, if to say as I was testing I couldn't get the best of the result, the person may still be there up to now. The customer who owns that clipper blade may still be here, because with those who have made attempt to sharpen it, they will really understand what I mean. You will be sharpening almost a set of clipper blade for 3 hours. One set of clipper blade for more than 4-5 hours. You'll be testing it, it will not work fine. You'll be testing it, it will not work. And the more you are sharpening, the more you are chopping the inner surface of the blade height. The more you are chopping, the more you are reducing the height. Systematically, directly or indirectly, you are reducing the height of the clipper blade. And the moment you are reducing it, the time is supposed to work reach like 2-3 hours, 2-3-4 hours, 4 years before the clipper blade will finish. Under 3 months, you finish it off. Then when you know how to sharpen clipper blade very well, then you know how to test. Immediately you test your clipper blade and you are sure that the work is confirmed, you give it to the customer. The customer may be in doubt, okay, mount it on your clipper engine, test it here before you go. You tested it, it's confirmed that it's working fine. How will it be? You will not be expecting that person back to return that job. You may be expecting him back or her, so that I bring another job or introduce you to another customer to you again, bring them come. You see like that? That is why you need to know how to test your clipper blade very well, and you must be testing. You see, you have places on top of each other. You see like this. You close it up, then you go like 20-30 times. The job is good. Let me come and show you. So when you test and you see carbon fit throughout, you see like this. You see the carbon, I did not press it too much. So let's see, test it. Let me show you clearly like this. Watch like this. You press it down. You now drag from side to side, front to back. These are the way to test. So if you can test to get that carbon that cover the whole surface of the store, a blade, upper and the bottom clipper blade, which means you are sharpening it correctly, it's going to work like a new clipper blade or even better than the new one. Let's open it now and see. Watch carefully. You can see it like this. You see the carbon? So which means this clipper blade is sharpened correctly. So as I've sharpened it now, I tested it. You know, to say I use 5 hours to sharpen, as a learner, to say I use 5 hours to sharpen this clipper blade now, and I tested it, it's working fine. It gave me the best of the result, good or excellent. Now I want to sharpen another one now. The time I use like 5 hours may not be up to again. It may reduce like 4.5 hours or 4 hours. As you continue practicing little by little, don't rush. The time you are using to sharpen clipper blade will reduce. To be reduced. I can sharpen clipper blade very fast on some stones. Very, very fast. I know how you use the clipper blade, the type of stone I put it on the surface, how I sharpen it, the way I apply my pressure, do all this thing very well, so that you won't over chop. Normally, so as you're supposed to sharp, you'll be sharpening it that way and you'll be getting the best of the result. You see like that? So that is why you need to watch the tutorial. If you have not subscribed to this channel, if you go, this is Sharp and Laugh TV. Sharp and Laugh TV. Subscribe now. If you have subscribed before to the former name, you don't need to subscribe again. No, it's still there permanent. It doesn't affect. It doesn't affect at all. Only the name you see that it changed. The logo changed. But your subscription is still there. Your subscription is still there. But if you have been watching the video since you not subscribe and you are new viewer, you are watching the video, you not subscribe, you need to subscribe now. You press the notification button for you to see more videos, for you to see the previous videos, and for you to see anything going on the channel. Whenever I come on live, you are going to see the notification immediately. I'm telling you sincerely, you are going to see the notification immediately. So that is the important part of it. You see now? Then this is tapper clipper blade. I want to show you something here. This type of clipper blade is difficult to sharp. For those who don't know the tricks, I will show you something there. I will now look for another one whether I can see another one to do comparison in what I want to show. In what I want to show you, whether I can get another clipper blade to make it as a sample to show you. I will check for it because I want to show everything fully. You can be able to understand it very well. Let me check this one. Yeah, very nice. See, this one is a very good example. Very good example of what I'm saying. Yeah, I will show you now. There are many things you're supposed to be taking note when you want to sharp. If you see that kind of clipper blade for learner, don't try it. It can spoil the surface of your stone. I will show you now. Just stay tuned with me. Just stay with me. I will show you. I'm trying to clean the blade very well. I want to show you something in the surface. I want to show you something on the surface of the blade. Yeah, let me come nearer to the screen. Let me come with my pointer. Let us watch carefully. Let us watch carefully. I want to show you something very, very important. So as a learner, you should know the type of clipper blade you are going to be using to start your learning. Watch here very carefully. This area I want to cover. Look at this area very well. You look at this area, you watch it. You see this here now, this area. You see this area, watch carefully. You see it. You see like this. Look the width, the breadth from here like this to the other side here. Look at it and watch the length of it. That's in rectangular form. Now let me pick another one for you. Watch carefully now. Look at this one now. From here like this, reach here. The same thing I've just shown you in the other blade now. This one is wider, starting from here to here, to where the small teeth starts. See the space here for this one. See the space I'm saying, this space. Any clipper blade, you see that after this small blade finish here, you now see another heel here, longer, wider, compared to this one now. Look at this one. Is this one wider? This one almost the stem cover it at a time. The pointer cover it at a time. But that one, you see the way I'm going between it. See this one now? So it's wider than this one. If you want to start your sharpening, you want to start your tutorial, what do you call it? Practice. Try to look for the blade that the back of it like this one. This area I'm covering now is like this one. Watch carefully. This one is easy to sharp. Not easy like that too, but when you compare the two, this one is easier to sharp than this type. Watch carefully. And the clipper blade I always have, this one is 808, and there's some KI. Let us watch. This one is a superstar. It's common among some 808 clipper blade, KI clipper blade some. Then this is a super tapper clipper blade. You see how this area I'm talking is, see how wider it is. It's even wider or the same from this here to this small blade. It's almost the same, or it's even wider a little bit than this one, than from here to the front. You can see this type of clipper blade. It used to spoil the surface of the stone. If you don't know how to sharpen clipper blade very well, you don't know how to locate your the area you're supposed to place your thumb. You see it wider. Let me bring the second one now and compare it. Look at this one now. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? Look at this area I cover. Look at for this one now, only this small area. Then look at this one. From here to here, see the distance. See the distance. From here to here, see the distance. Watch carefully now. Watch. Watch the two. You see it? You see the difference there? Here I'm talking about this area. After this small blade, see this one cover the whole area. Now compare to this one. From here to here. From here to here. See the width. So this type of clipper blade is difficult to sharp. And this type of clipper blade normally spoil the stone surface. Those who are using ordinary kerosene, ordinary oil. Machine oil, engine oil, light one one. Most of the people using those materials to those solutions to sharp, it can spoil the surface of the stone anyhow. The stone you have been using for a longer period of time, if you try it on this clipper blade, when you use dull, rotten, you want to use to sharpen it, if care is not taken, you will lose the quality of the surface of the stone if you don't know how to control your tongue. And at the same time, if you don't know how to maintain your stone surface, you are going to lose the quality of it. You see the difference there? So I'm just showing you. We are going to sharpen it now. I'm showing you so that you can be able to be knowing the differences between the blades. All blades are not the same. Many people do mistake when they see tutorial of how to sharpen clipper blades 50 times. They will now be telling me that they are the same. How are they the same? Are the blade the same? You see one super tapper clipper blade, how to sharpen clipper blade. You see another one KI clipper blade, how to sharpen clipper blade. Are they the same type of blade? Each person that is sharpening the blade will know the quality of each one, how stubborn each one of them to sharpen back to normal. Then how roughly they have used the clipper blade. Can the way they use clipper blade, can it be the same? You see the same type of people using hard I'm sharpening here. Even the one I'm sharpening, I don't use them the same way. Clipper blade doesn't chop in the same way. They chop in different areas, different dimensions. You see like that? Then you see another one, how to sharpen stainless clipper blade step by step. Are they the same? The name of the blade are not the same. Who is sharpening it? You will know the difference between them. How difficult they are, how easy they are, how stubbornness is their clipper blade to sharp. This one I'm showing you now, if care is not taken, you want to use it, so it will condemn the surface of the stone. You have to sharpen it back. When they use it dull, they repackage the blade, you see plenty hole here. You say you want to bring it back to normal. If care is not taken, you are going to lose the surface of the stone. At the end of the day, the clipper blade step may not be sharpened correctly. I'm telling you sincerely. I'm talking from experience. Before you become a real professional, you need to watch different type of videos. My videos, you watch them carefully. You watch them well. After watching them reaching certain stage, your mind will come with something. See where I've watched this video reach you. I've seen the secrets behind the forming of the stone. Let me try it. Inspiration will come. But some people will just come one day. You started watching tutorial one day. Some people will come here, I've watched one video. Can I form a stone? How do you want to form stone? Even for the videos on the Super Hard Manners Samsung is more than 500. You now say you watch one. How can you know the secret behind the stone? You can't know it. And for sharpening of clipper blade, now sharpening of clipper blade putting on stone carry 2% in my own studio. 2% out of 100. Where do you want to put remaining 98%? So when you collect, when you take or you do work of 2%, you know say you want. Are you now telling me you want to pass over 100, 2 over 100? Is it pass? Does he reach pass mark? No. So that is why I'm saying you need to watch the videos very well. You need to watch the videos very well. I want to sharpen for this KI or no super tapper clipper blade. Let's sharpen for that one and later come back for this KI. Let me put it here. This clipper blade are not the same, so I will still go outside to find some thicker blade used to condemn. We now do comparison there. If you want to how to sharpen tapper clipper blade, now join with KI. Maybe 3 or 4 type of blade. We will now be sharpening them one by one. See how difficult each one is to sharp. How easy is it they have to sharp. We now be doing comparison. Now let us start sharpening this one. not to waste our time. We are still learning. That is why I'm saying I come with three things. Only person who don't want to learn can never understand my tutorial. Only the person that don't want to learn, because I'm doing the practical part of it. I'm showing you the technical parts. I'm trying to explain very well so that all the areas I'm touching, what I'm saying, you need to understand exactly what I'm trying to fashion out on the surface of the stone or the blade. I'm trying to fix the marking tape at the back. Yeah, I can see people comment. Yeah, IJ or either it's IJ or TJ. I can see it very well. Where was your home? What was your name? Turkey. Abi Tony. Okay, Tony. Tony, what's your name? My name is Sharp and Laugh TV. Oh, yeah, oh. Sharp and Laugh TV. Sharp and Laugh TV. Sharp and Laugh TV. SHARP. Sharp. AND and Laugh. LAUGH. TV. Sharp and Laugh TV. That's my name. Sharp and Laugh TV. Formerly Master BCM TV. Maybe you confused with the name. We've changed the name. We have changed the name. But if you have subscribed before, you don't need to subscribe again. It's only one time. So charge it. You know what? Okay. So you don't need to change. You don't need to subscribe again. Oh, formerly Master BCM TV is now Sharp and Laugh TV. Sharp and Laugh TV. I've been keeping saying this almost since last week, telling people we want to change the name, and then now we have changed the name. Sharp and Laugh TV. Now I want to start the sharpening for this. Let me see it. I've covered the name again. Okay, superstar. Superstar. Okay, this one is superstar. Let's treat the surface of the stone. Superstar. Yeah, let us go now. Let's go 50 times it for one side. With light pressure or light. Don't press too much. Lightly. That's 50 times. Let me come closer to the screen. You can see where the stone has work reach. You can see it. This area. this area, remain this black area, this area. You see it. So let's go for the second side. Don't forget 50 times again, if I'm not mistaken. Times. Yeah, let me come closer to the screen and show you. Watch carefully now, watch carefully. Watch carefully, you can see it. So let's repeat it one time again to make it neat very well. You don't need to rush too much. As you are learning, you don't need to rush too much. Let's go 30 times now. That's 30 times. You see the way I press it down, almost the same. Don't let one be much pressure, the second one will not be light pressure. You get another different thing on the surface of your blade. You get difference happening on the surface entirely. But when you go with the same light pressure for the first side, for the second side, you will see that you are going to get best of the sharpening on the surface of your blade. I'm telling you sincerely. Let's watch it and see how the surface is. Let's watch. Now you can see it. That is why I'm saying to sharpen clipper blade step by step. You don't need to rush at all. So let us go for the bottom clipper blade. When you sharpen finish, you open the surface down. Let's go for the bottom clipper blade. And don't forget, this one is quartz surface, very strong surface stone. Very, very strong. How you can form your surface, quartz surface, how you form normal surface, how you form your smooth surface. I've did the video, more than 20 different type of videos. Go and watch them. How to smooth to your, how to reflect the surface of your stone, new one, old one, how to sharpen the surface of the stone. Go and watch very well. That is why I always say it. I've released many videos done free of charge. Free of charge to watch. If you really want to learn, you want to know how to sharpen clipper, go back and watch videos, because all these videos are under membership before. Membership videos, they use money to watch them. Now I've released them free of charge publicly for the whole world to watch. Make the advantage, use the advantage, because what we locked before might still be locked again anytime. That's the secret behind it. It happened like 2 years ago now. When I open it down like this, many people watch, many people refuse to watch. After we lock it unexpected, they begin to be calling me. If you want to watch that time, you send money to me, I will open it for you. It's true. I don't hide my feelings. I don't talk lies, because I'm not collecting anything on YouTube. I'm not collecting any money on YouTube. So when I say watch, anyone that is good for you, watch it. Watch very well. Yeah, watch different type of videos. It's an advantage. You will see the secret of the stones. Yes, the secret of the blade, how to sharpen the tool. You see them there. Power of using the thumb. You see the secret behind it. So, but when you refuse to wash, then anytime you say you are ready, at times the problem may be you may see the video under locked. You use big money to wash it. So take note. That's 50 times for one side. Let me see what is going on. You can see this area is really sharpening. You don't know how to form stone for this kind of blade. It can injure your surface stone, surface of your stone. You can injure it. It can give injury to the surface of your stone that will not work again. To just scrape all. So let's go for the second side. That's 50 times again. Blood pressure. Times each for one side. Let me now show you the secret I'm saying before. See, I went to and fro 50 times now for one side. When divide the blade into two like this, I sharpen this side to and fro 50 times. I sharpen this side to and fro 50 times. Now see that sharpening now, if I sharpen it on the first one I show you, let me come with that clipper blade. That kind of sharpening now, if I sharpen it on this one, it's going to cover past ear. It's going to reach something like here or cover nearly to the mouth to and fro 50 times on the quash. It now stay on this one. In the other blade, I will show you now. For you to know that to sharpen this type of clipper blade, you must be very be a good sharpener who can sharpen clipper blade. See now from here to here, that's the area that is sharpening. If you don't bring this area down, you cannot see here sharpening. Especially those who used to repackage the blade. When they repackage the blade, they usually don't, they force it to work again like 2 or 3 times, they now brought it to you. You are going to sharpen this area for more than 2 hours. Only this area will be sharpening for more than 2 hours without even getting to the place that the blade is going to work. So you should take note. When you see clipper blade with wider back like this, very wide, don't use it at your practice. It's going to spoil the surface of your stone. If you don't know how to form stone very well, it's going to spoil the surface. It's an advice. It's going to spoil the surface. Because see what I've been doing now, 50 times to and fro. It's not a small country now. Only this area. Let us go again now. Stay tuned, just a minute, please, just a minute. Just a minute. I'm very sorry. I'm back again. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. Now, let us repeat the sharpening again. Don't forget once again, this is Sharp and Laugh TV. Sharp and Laugh TV. Sharp and Laugh TV. Sharp and Laugh TV. That's the new name for this channel now. Sharp and Laugh TV. Sharp and Laugh TV. That's the new name for it. That's 40 times. Gentle stroke. 40 times gentle stroke. That's 40 times each for one side. Yeah. We have black spot here. This area, we have black spot here. You see that's not sharpened correctly, but let me come closer to the screen and show you, for you to know that you're supposed to know how to form your stone. Because this type of clipper blade, it can take you a whole day if you don't have a good stone service. To God Almighty, it can take you a whole day. At the end of the day, you test it's not going to work fine. See, the job I've just done 2 times now. The first one covers here. Then I now wait 40 times again. This one is 50 times to and fro. This one is 40 times to and fro now. You see? Then this area I can see it very well. The darkness is here a little bit. This area is down. We need to resharpen it. So when you sharp, you see you are seeing total shining. But when I'm looking at it directly like this, without watching it through the screen, I'm seeing that block color black here. Faintly, it's not too much. Now the thing you can just see easily. You look at it very well. Darkness is there a little. Darkness is there a little. So let us repeat it. Don't let's waste time on it. Don't let us waste time on it. This is Sharp and Laugh TV. Sharp and Laugh TV. Let us repeat it one time again. This area has darkish color. Let us clean and watch now. Let us watch and clean now. Let us clean and watch. The color is still there. The iron has rotten that place before. It has rotten for that place. I can see it now. You see, here like this, shown. Yeah, it show like this. Watch. Look at this area. Then look at this portion, this area. Look at this area. So we are bringing it back again, bringing it down little by little, little by little. That's 20 times. You see the way I went now? I just showing you to take note. See before as I was going slowly by slowly. See the way I went for the first side now. The same thing that you have to repeat for the other side. Take note. The way I went faster. I'm sorry. The way I went faster for the first side, you still have to repeat it the same way for the other side. This rotting cannot be solved today. It's deep. But I'll show you how to sharp. That rotting area is deep. So we should continue like that. And I don't want to chop it once. We'll be going little by little. Let's stop here for now. So we are still coming back to continue with it. Let me show you before we bring this live to end now. Yeah, I can see another comment. Yeah, you say hi to me, hi to you too. You see it, this side. So I'm still coming back for it. Let's stop here for now. So if you have not subscribed before, subscribe to this channel. Press notification button for you to see me again. This is Sharp and Laugh TV. We have changed the name. It was Master BCM TV before, but now Sharp and Laugh TV. Sharp and Laugh TV. Thank you.